Oh, there's a cat right there. Hi. The cat is meowing at me. There's a cat. Maybe I should buy food for it. Feed it, keep it. I don't have any cat food with me though. Speak to cat in Korean. 이리 와봐. 이리 와봐. It's licking itself right now. 고양이. 이리 와봐. It's not listening. Not sure what it's meowing at me for, but I'll go there for the cats. There are a lot of street cats in Seoul, but like most of them will run away from you. Oh, it's walking this way. Oh, look at that. Look at the cat. 안녕. Oh, look at the cat. 안녕, 고양이. I wonder where cats, like these cats come from. Like, I see them like sometimes at night. And I still wonder where they come from. When I was in Hong Kong, there were a lot of them. One even ran into me. I guess it really depends on which country. 고양이. Maybe I should do like a cat food content, but I don't know. I usually don't really bother myself coming outside for anything. But like, look at this cat though. This cat. I wonder what if I walk away from it. It's still there. I think that cat is sleeping. Yeah, it looks like it. Doesn't seem to run away though. Maybe there's a cat cafe open. I actually don't see any cat cafes around. 고양이. 안녕. Maybe it doesn't want to be bothered. Or simply sleepy. Cat lets you approach it. Should I try?
Someone feed me, but don't bite me. Bring me Vegemite.
She's sleeping. I'm like streaming for like almost an hour. Lights are mostly off. In most of the apartments. It's getting cold. Oh. Hey cat. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, mate? Oh, you're going into the bush. You're in the bush. Or behind the bush. Yeah, I'm gonna stop bothering the cat. I'm just gonna walk away. I think I'll just go back to the cat whenever it wants me. Where is it? Oh, it's walking towards me. Oh, look at the cat. Hey. Oh, scared me. Come on. You want something to eat? Watch your step there. Oh, you're jumping. Let's see what happens if I turn away from the cat. You can still see it in the background. Let's see if it's gonna come to me. Nah, I guess not. Just looking at me. Ooh, it's pretty windy. Oh, it's running away. No. It ran away. Oh, it's back up here. I'm gonna walk away. Try to follow me. It meows at you like it wants attention, but then runs. I know. following me. Oh, you're such a troll. Red light. Green light. Red light. No, you moved. Are you really following me? What if I walk away? I guess nothing happens. Nothing's happening. You're such a troll, you cat.